Guys, it's Shahzeb Afridi from Game Logics, and this is part 47 of our tutorial series How to Make Ludo Game in Unity. And this is going to be the last part of our this Ludo Game tutorial series. Okay, so in the previous tutorial, I had told you that I am going to test the three players game and the four players game as well. So I have tested the three players game, and it had no errors and no bugs. Okay, so it was completely fine. And when I was playing the four players game, so I faced a few minor errors. Okay, a few bugs. So as you can see, uh, I have played this game. As you can see the console. Okay, so let me make it a little bit bigger. So as you can see, like, this is the message which we display when a player completes its journey. Okay, so as you can see, and these are the message like red and green have won the match, and okay, and the final message is game is completed. Okay, so it's the message from the four players game. So I played it completely, and let me show you the bugs that I faced along the way. Okay, so let's shrink it and let me show you the errors, and then I am going to show you how to fix them. Okay, so first of all, the errors that I faced in four players game. So it's these. Okay, so like if any one of four players win the game, like if red has won the game, and total red in house if it's greater than 3, like if it's 4, and all of the red players have completed their journey, then we need to do the following process. Okay, like we activate the screen and we switch the player turn to the blue one, and we display a message to the console. Okay, so the bug here is this one. If it's less than 3. Okay, so it should not be less than 3. It should be less than 4. Okay, so let's fix this. And this one is, well, okay, same is the case here. Okay, so let's fix this. And here as well. So all of them should be less than 4, like 3, 2, or 1. Okay, if it's less than 3, then it is excludes if the players are like if any one of the blue, green, red or yellow, if they are like if 3 of them have completed their journey, so it will exclude that case. Okay, so that's why they need to be less than 4. Okay, so let's save the game, and the rest is fine. Okay, so I placed the breakpoints to show you that these are the errors. Okay, so let's get rid of them, and now we are good to go. And the other error that I faced is here. Okay, but I have corrected them, but let me show you. Okay, so you can do the same as well. um Here. Okay, so if you have followed me along the way, if you have followed me in coding, so here you will see it will be blue. Okay, so it should not be blue because after green player uh, it's the yellow player turn, so it should be yellow. Okay, in the four players game, as you can see, case 4. Okay, so it should be yellow, so I have already corrected it. So let's remove this breakpoint. Okay, so let's remove it, and here as well. Okay, so you will see blue here also, and in every place where I have placed the breakpoint. Okay, so correct it. It should not be blue, it should be yellow. Okay, so in all of the green players. Okay, so it was blue, which should not be. It should be yellow. Okay, so now I have shown you how to fix those errors or bugs. So now our game is complete and it's completely fine. Okay, so there are no errors except these. Okay, so this was the last tutorial of this tutorial series of how to make Ludo game in Unity, and I am going to try to create an AI player so we can play with AI. Okay, I am going to try, and that will be something new. I haven't done that before. Okay, so pray for me, and after that, I will also try to create a multiplayer online game for this Ludo tutorial series. But I will work on these things as a side project, you can say. Okay, and I am going to begin a new series. I am going to start a new series, which is going to be color switch game. Okay, color switch game is a very popular game. You can search it. You can search that game on Play Store. You can download it and you can play it. It's a cool game. Okay, so next time I am going to show you how to create a color switch game, and I will also try to create the AI and the multiplayer online game, but that will take some time. Okay, so pray for me, and if you really liked this tutorial, so give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon as well for notifications, and support me guys. Your support means a lot. Okay, so it will keep me motivated and I will bring some new stuff for you. Okay, I will work and then it will keep me motivated. So thank you guys, see you in the next tutorial. Till then, take care of yourselves.